Hey guys, what's up? So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and review of these Motortrend deep dish heavy duty floor mats. You can see we're in the old Escalade again, and down here in Florida there's a lot of sand and stuff. During the wet season it gets pretty nasty too, so we track a lot of sand and things. We go to the beach, sand everywhere down here. So I'm hoping that these will help trap the sand so that we can just dump it out, throw the mats back in, because right now they're the carpeted original style and it's just a mess. It gets everywhere. You can vacuum it up, but you know, you never really get rid of it. It's kind of like glitter, right? So let me go ahead and open these things up and see what we got and take a look at them. All right guys, let's open these things up, see what they look like. Have your handy dandy pocket knife there. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Plastic. Oh yeah. Don't need that. Alright guys, here we are. Let's take a look at these babies. Alright, Motortrend all-weather mats. Oh, these are pretty nice. You got a nice deep tray there, and see all these lines so that you can trim it with regular scissors. So we got the front ones, we got the back ones. I guess it doesn't match the interior as well as I'd hoped, but it's not terrible. It's better than the black or even the gray going in here. So looks like we got quite a bit of these little nipples down here that'll dig into the carpet to keep them from moving around, so that should hold them in place nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing these, see how they look in the vehicle, and we'll go from there. I'll see you in the next step. All right guys, I threw them in. Let's see what they look like. This is a 2006 Escalade, like I said, and Tahoe, Yukon. Kind of gives you an idea. So I had to trim them. Really easy to trim. They're nice. I mean, just a regular pair of scissors gives you these lines to trim on, so they look real nice. And you can see I trimmed all up in there. And this is for my kids. So all their sand will get trapped in there. You can see they're pretty deep. I mean, pretty deep. There's the other side. I left the old floor mat just right underneath it. Just stuck that right on top. Looks good in the back. Be nice for it to go over the center here, which they do make them to go over the center also. The only problem with that is when they're one piece and they go over the center, it's a pain in the butt to get it out when you need to clean it off. Instead of vacuuming, you know what I mean? Every now and again you'll vacuum, but for the most part, down here you get all that sand. You want to just grab this thing, pull it out, dump it, throw it back in. When it goes all the way across, you can't really do that. It's a pain in the butt. So, it's the back. Head around to the front here. Here's the front. Pretty good. So we'll go around to the driver's side. Driver's side, I think, came out better than the other even. So it was weird because driver's side, I really didn't have to trim at all. The only place I trimmed is right in here around the gas pedal, so that when I push the pedal all the way down, it doesn't hit that mat and restrict it when I go full throttle on this baby. So here's all your lines. So depending on, you know, different vehicles, obviously this fits, it's universal, but you can just trim them out as much or as little as you need. And it's a good fit. And again, these are nice and deep, should trap everything in there real good. If you're up north, it'd be good for snow also, ice, whatever. So this side, you know, I also had to trim up in there, but they came out really nice. So we'll see how they last and how they hold up and how the shape stays, but they seem pretty quality, easy to trim, easy to fit, and a pretty fair price on Amazon. So I hope this video gave you all a better idea of what you're getting into if you're interested in buying these. And again, this was a 2006 Escalade. All right, so there you go, guys. That was a quick unboxing, install, review of these Motortrend deep dish heavy duty floor mats. And like I said, I threw it in the 2006 Escalade. So Tahoe, Yukon. This install would be very similar, but they're universal fit. So, and all the lines and everything, the cut and trim, I think it would fit in pretty much any full size to mid-size vehicles, because they're pretty big floor mats. So like if you had a real small vehicle, you trim them so much there would be barely anything left. So anyway, hopefully this helped you out and gave you a better idea on the product. And we'll see longevity wise, because I just installed them. I'm not sure, but they seem pretty durable. They seem pretty well made. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.